It's time to eat. Come take a seat with Jadian, Samir, and Kendall. Sweet.
Hi, everyone. We're about to have lunch.
But wait, do we just sit down and eat?
No, first we remember our table manners. We always wash our hands before we eat, right, Jadian?
Right, get those germs off.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's make them clean. The cleanest little hands you've ever seen.
All clean and ready to eat. I'm sitting with my feet down and my hands in my lap.
Oops, I almost stood on my chair, but now I'm sitting safely.
Big kids sit nicely.
Remember, sit up straight and smile.
Hands in our laps until it's time to eat.
And we wait patiently for our food.
Great job, everyone. You're table manner experts.
Let's use our forks and spoons.
No fingers in the spaghetti, haha.
I can do it all by myself. May I have some strawberries, please?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Please and thank you are magic words.
Please and thank you every day help us eat the kindest way.
We always clean up when we're done.
Look how shiny it is.
We're teamwork champions.
Let's remember what we learned.
You did great learning with us.
See you next time.
Table time is fun. Hooray. We learned our manners the happy way. Like and subscribe for more sharing and caring with Jadian, Samir, and Kendall.